Hello guys and be welcome to the channel. Today we have the 124th Supermarine Spitfire Mk.IXc. This kit has been produced by Airfix and is one of their newest models. So without further ado, let's see what is inside the box. So before and foremost, I would like to ask you guys to like and subscribe to the channel and to this video, and if for some reason there's something that you guys don't like or dislike on the video, please feel free to put the thumbs down, but let me know in the comments your thoughts about what you didn't like, so only that way I can improve my content and I can make better content for you guys, because the content is from me for you, so I need your feedback without failing, so I can get better content. So let's go. Open the box and you have the underneath of the wings and the underneath of the cowling, the engine cowling. Is the underneath top? The underneath, I believe it's the underneath. If not, it's the top. From what we are used from Airfix, older models, people complaining about how deep the panel lines are and how big the rivets are. This one, I think they got it spot on. The panel lines, absolutely sublime. Not too deep, not too shallow. Loads of rivets here that you can see. So yeah, it's absolutely sublime. And by the way, if you guys want me to build this one, let me know, and I might bring this one into live streams. The top part of the wings, so you have the openings, which will allow you to have the option of having the gun base open, which I think is a must, and I will do that way, to be honest with you guys, because I think the amount of detail is absolutely amazing. And now we have the fuselage as well, and again, as you guys can see, absolutely perfectly injected and molded and looks absolutely fantastic. It's a lovely little piece of kit, loads of details inside. You have rivets on the inside as well, so looks amazing. I like it a lot. Then we come to the bags. Oops. We have quite a few bags with loads of details. So as you can see, we have all these bits here, the ridge for the wings and all those things, so it looks absolutely stunning. And again, flash is close to none, if any. Machine guns look absolutely superb as well. They look absolutely amazing. And there we go. More details, the flaps, the tail section. It looks absolutely amazing, and again, perfectly injected, perfectly molded. I can't fault this to a T. What do we have more? I don't like the way these bags were sealed. So we have more stuff here. The wheels are absolutely ginormous, with the Dunlop logo on there. You have the radial tires on there as well. Landing gears, absolutely perfect. The wheel rims as well. The back wall looks fantastic as well. So yeah, all in all, a good kit. Then we have the cockpit section, the cockpit tub with the ridges again. Seat belts you have in plastic, so they are not molded into the seat. You can add them or you can recreate your own ones. The controllers They have the hoses as well on there, which for me looks absolutely perfect. More controls, the oxygen tanks, and the remaining of the seat belts. This looks absolutely superb. I believe this is part of the seat. So more hoses here for the thing. Looks fantastic to say the least. We have another one. So there we go. I believe these will be parts of the engine. I'm assuming, yes, parts of the engine. And to be perfectly honest with you, I've seen these assembled in person, and they could do just a model kit for the engine. The amount of detail that they have is absolutely astonishing, and they could sell just the engine as a model kit. No doubt on that. Thing I like the most is that even on the exhaust tubes and all the things, there's not much flash. There's a little bit of seam lines, which is expected, but not a huge amount or a deal breaker. As I usually say, more of the rear tail, and I think you can have different options for them, but again, absolutely sublime detail. On this one we have the propeller or propellers, I don't know. Get this out. And there we go. I think this is the part for the exhaust, the cowling, the propeller, the nose cone, the gear. Looks absolutely amazing, honest to God. It's, as you guys can see, lovely details on there. It looks absolutely superb. Absolutely superb. Decals wise, we go to instructions in a second. We have the decals. See, as per usual, they are printed by Cartograph and they look absolutely stunning. I might do the Popeye one because I truly like nose art and I truly like to see these kind of things on the nose of the airplane, so I might do this one. You can do the Canadian version, and if you notice, you have the red leaf and the green leaf. This is because on the time that there is disagreement on this. Some people say that the leaf was green, the others say that the green was red. So to avoid the issues, they place it both on here, so we can keep everyone happy. So this is our amazing decal sheet for this one. And yeah, I still need to find out what I'm gonna build. I'm not sure yet. So instructions, we have a big booklet of instructions. As you can see, this look almost like an encyclopedia. First page, you have your colors call out for all the airplane, and then obviously you have your cockpit with the details on the decals and little things for the cockpit. Assembling the pilot seat and the seat, all the interior, very clear instructions. Colors call out now with the brush and the number so that you know that it to be painted on that color. Whatever part you are assembling comes in red and where you should put it. And yeah, if you need to cut it, you have a jig now to cut the door. And looks really good. Again, the instructions are really good. You have this small hose that goes in there. Battery, which I think we can open the hatch for the battery. I need to look into that because if the plane is replicated in the floor like being maintained, we can open that as well so that people can see it. So here we have all the assembly of the wings. If you want to put the guns in, you have the the bullets, you have the ridge on for the wings, your gun box. We have our machine guns that go in there. For me, they are absolutely sublime. The joining of the two parts together, it's absolutely amazing. And bear in mind that we are on 114 steps yet, and we are not even started the engine. So the engine, again, like I said, the engine itself could be a model kit on its own. Easily could be a model kit. There we go. Looks absolutely fantastic and stunning. Again, the amount of details that they've put in, it's absolutely insane. Absolutely and utterly insane. This thing. So yeah, well worth it. And to be honest with you, at the price tag that that this Spitfire is marked, I don't think is that bad. I think it's a fantastic price for the amount of model that you get. Getting a model like this for under 100 quid is absolutely fantastic. So I would advise anyone that wants to build a 124 scale Spitfire to get this one, because this is absolutely insane and crazy. So this is the instructions. We're still missing the clear part and the painting instructions. So painting instructions, they have come up with this A3 sheet, so that you have version C, version D with the American and the Eleanor. We have the stencils positions. We have version E, which is the French one, and we have version B, which I love because of the Popeye on the front, and version A, which is the Johnny Plague's airplane. Having said that, we are missing the clear parts, which are here on the underneath all this plastic. So there we go. We have clear parts for the cockpits. Clear parts, fairly good. You have two types of clear parts, one with a seam line, another one without a seam line. The one with the seam line is the more correct because it's a bit more bulge than this one, and this should be the correct one. But if you don't want to be dealing with a seam line, you can use this one, will be equally good. The front, the rear of the clear parts, and the lights. So yeah, all in all, a fantastic model with an amazing price range, and I think it's well worth it. So if you guys want to see me build this one, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think about this model, and again, if you like it, like and subscribe to the channel. If you don't, please do let me know what you didn't like so that I can amend in the future. So hope you guys liked it. See you all around. See you next time. Bye.